Hi guys, Chris from Stoked Travel here. Welcome back to the channel. Now before I get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any video goodness. As you can see behind me, I'm at Byron Bay Dive Centre here in Byron Bay. We're going to be heading out to Julian Rocks for some scuba diving today. She's voted amongst one of the best dive sites in Australia. We're going to be looking for sharks, rays, turtles and more. And of course, if you're heading to Byron Bay soon, make sure you check out the crew of youroztrip.com. They've got everything you need to make the most of your time in the bay. So yeah, let's get kitted up and jump in.